What you need to know. I made it an alert day because of the heat. Normally we talk about alert days when there'd be storms coming in terms of really widespread severe weather. Now we could see a storm, but it's really the heat today. So hot today, mid-90s actual air temperature, but a heat advisory and warning. We have a couple of them. The warning is for heat indexes up to 110, and it includes the counties along the I-95 corridor. And when you get heat indices like that, up to 110 and above possibly, you can get heat exhaustion and or heat stroke, and that gets very, very serious if you're very active outside. And even if you're just sitting around, it's an accumulative thing. By later in the day, you might easily exhaust yourself quicker than you would right now, even though the heat indexes might be higher now than they will be in the evening hours. So that's why it goes till 9 o'clock tonight. Everyone else has the heat advisory similar to yesterday. Heat index is 105 to 109. You can still get heat exhaustion if you work too hard outside. We have an afternoon storm chance. This is for the week ahead each day, but Friday being the best day, and believe it or not, today being the least chance of a day. But look at this. If we do see something, the entire state almost, except for the coast, is under a marginal risk that any storm that does pop up, it'll be a slow mover, heavy, quick downpour, and maybe some damaging wind. That's why there's the marginal risk. On a scale of 1 to 5, remember, it's just a 1, and the chances of a shower hitting or a storm hitting your house, only 1 in 5. So all in all, it's the heat. It's all about the heat today. By the way, if you're looking ahead, highs will cool down to near 90 by the end of the week. So future heat index, as we're sitting here, let's just pause it in the middle of the afternoon. 105 in the Triangle, 105 in Fayetteville, near 110 along the coastal plain where that excessive heat warning is. And what I'm concerned about is, all right, we get through that and then we don't really cool down much tonight. We get in heat indexes in the 80s after the air temperature only gets into the mid 70s. And we do it all over again tomorrow. And if this is the case, we could see definitely a heat advisory, but we have to keep it if we see an excessive heat warning again for the coastal plain tomorrow. And we could do it again on Wednesday. So officially at the Raleigh-Durham International Airport, it's 93. Dew point 73 gives you a heat index of 102. Look at all that sunshine. We had a little deck of clouds to start the day. They burned off, and it's calm. We don't even have a breeze right now. The winds will be about 5 to 10 miles per hour this afternoon. Obviously, good visibility at the airport. But look at this. Mostly sunny skies right now. So we'll look for I see a few partly cloudy skies trying to develop around Harnett and Moore County on our high-def satellite. But all in all, with mostly sunny skies and a few more clouds expected later today.
7.
Yeah, at least a 7. We've been riding an 8 or 9 the last couple of hours. So we'll give you partly cloudy skies, a 20% chance. That's all I'm going to give you for an isolated shower or storm. Heat index, 103. Triple digits. This is on the 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the Triangle, and at 3 o'clock it is reading 105, and down in the Sandhills and Coastal Plain it's reading near 110 in the middle of the afternoon. And then we'll drop into the 80s. I should have probably kept the heat index at 8 o'clock because it'll still feel like it's in the 90s at 8 o'clock. So your highs today, air temperature-wise, 97 Fayetteville, 94 Rayford, 94 Sanford, maybe 97 Dunn. It's going to get hot. Mid-90s along the coastal plain, and when you factor in the humidity, that's what's going to make it unbearable. 96 Durham and Raleigh, 94 Roxborough, 95 Henderson. Whoa! South Hill, Virginia, 97 degrees. So everybody's hot. It's not cooler north or anything. All right, here's the 4:30 map. Maybe a couple storms in the Sandhills, maybe one trying to sneak into Person County, and then they could blow up and become pretty intense. So we could get a warning out of these at 6 o'clock, but a lot of the area is just going to be mostly sunny, and then anything that does blow up will be gone by after the sun goes down. And tomorrow, we do it all over again, except we have a little better chance of a little more coverage area, and we're going to keep that through Thursday with our best chance Friday. So an alert day because of the heat, 96, an afternoon storm, a little better chance Tuesday and Wednesday, but with mid-90s and the high humidity, we might have more heat advisories and such Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday. Friday, we'll just be concerned about some scattered storms as the front approaches 91 degrees, and the cool day is Saturday. Well, Friday and Saturday, right around 90 with some scattered storms. Enjoy that while you can, because Sunday's mostly dry 92, and then whoops, right back into the mid-90s next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on the exclusive 10-day forecast.